This is Performance. We are recording Canon 228. Ti la sol fa mi si ti re do fa mi la ti do re do ti la si la ti si fi si mi la sol fa do ti do ti la ti re do ti la si la do ti fi si ti fi si mi si ti mi fa do mi la si la re do mi. Alrighty, this is Performance. I'm going to be going over all of the chromatic motifs that I found in Canon 228 written by Brahms. I wrote out all the solfege, so now I'm just going to go through all the chromatic motifs that I found, and yeah. So whenever we talk about chromaticism, we usually refer to half steps, based off a chromatic scale. If you drew a chromatic scale, you're ascending and descending by half steps. So in this case, I'm going to point out all the interesting passages that I found with accidentals, or some that have more emphasized half steps than the other. First one that's noticeable is from the 5th scale degree so to the 6th scale degree la. So that 5th scale degree so gets altered and turns into C la, making it a half step. Instances where we see this is in the second line in the 3rd measure, where we have la si la ti. We have F fees, F fees, G's. So that's one instance where he kind of uses that chromaticism to play around a little bit. Another instance where we kind of have the C la kind of going on, ironically enough, is the 2nd measure of the 3rd line, where in the I have to do my math. In the last 2 beats of the measure, we have Ti la si la, G's fees, F fees. So that's another instance where Brahms incorporates that C la. Let's see if there are any others. Yes, in the 3rd measure of the 4th line, he also does the same thing on the last 2 beats. But just to kind of lead into that, I'm going to do the whole measure, and you'll see why. La, la, si, la, re, do. Let's try that again. La, la, si, la, re, do. So that shows we have la, la, si, la, fees, fees, F, fees. So there's one instance where chromaticism was used. Another instance, if we're looking in this lovely piece of music, we sometimes see D. D pops up in the 2nd measure of the 3rd line. So we have la, di, re, do, di, re, do. So he uses chromaticism there with altering the tonic, which is A, and making it ice. So he has fees, ice. My bad. Fees, ice, B, A. Now I can't do it with letter names. That's lovely. Let's try this again. F's, I's, B, A. Need some help there, but that's another instance where he uses chromaticism. There aren't any more D's. In the very last measure, he incorporates chromaticism in the third beat, where he has this passage. Or in letter names, where he alternates the second scale degree re to become re. So you have C sharp, C, C sharp. So that's another instance of chromaticism. Besides those three, he also incorporates the use of phi a lot. However, I wouldn't argue that to be chromatic for a couple reasons. One, if you look at the third measure in line 3, where you have do, ti, fi, si, that's not a half step. You have a D sharp to an E sharp, which is a whole step, but E sharp is actually F natural. So that's not really a use of chromaticism. He's just adding in another accidental to make it kind of borderline fall in like a scale-wise motion to create that whole step. But it also doesn't really add drama a little bit. I'll just play it on the piano. So that's kind of what I just realized I played the wrong note. I can read, I promise. I'll play it again. So that's what that measure sounds like. And then when you sing it, do, ti, fi, si. See, even I do it because you wanted 10 to go to that half step. This is the half step as compared to a whole step. So you have do, ti, fi, si, mi, si, ti. So while that's interesting, it's not a use of chromaticism because it doesn't incorporate that half step. So those were the motifs that I found. This is Performance Canon 226. Excuse me. Do, ti, mi, la, re. So, do, ta, la, si, la. Mi, fa, la, si, so. Fi, do, ti, so. La, so, fa, mi, re. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re. Do, fa, do, re, mi, fa, mi. This is Performance Canon 227. La, ti, ti, di, re, di, ti, di, bi, re, re, fa, re, ta, la, si, la, ti, mi, re, di, This is Performance, the 6/8 melody. We are starting in the key of E minor, and we're going to identify each key. This is beginning in E minor, so E is La. La, ti, do, la, mi, mi, re, re. Re becomes Fa. We're now in C sharp minor. Fa, mi, si, la. La, ti. Re becomes T. We're now in B flat minor. Ti, mi. Re, la, si. Ti, do, ti, la, sol. 1, 2, 1. T becomes Re. We're now in G minor. Re, do, ti, la, do, la, mi. 1, 2, 1. Re, T becomes Re. We're now in E minor again. Re, si, la. This is sight reading 16.28. We begin in the key of A major, and then we modulate to E major halfway through. So for this, A is going to first start off as Do, and then we're going to switch it. Mi, so, do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, do, lo, ta, so, mi, re, la, ti, so, re, do, ti, la, sol, re, mi. Si, ti, la, fa, ti, do. This is sight reading 16.12 or 16.12. Ti, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, lo, ti, so, do, ti, lo, ti, so, mi, ti, la, so, fa, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, ti, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, sol, la, fa, mi. This is music theory. We're doing Rocky Mountain. We're going to first do switching between 2/4 and 3/4 meter. D is going to be Do. Sorry, my bangs are bugging me. Do, 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 ma, do, 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 ma, do, do, ma, so, so, lo, so, ma, do, lo, so, ma, do, ma, re, do, do, ma, so, ma, re, do, re, do, ma, so, ma, re, do. This is music theory. We will be doing Rocky Mountain, switching between 3/4 and 2/4 meter now. D is still going to be Do. do, 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 ma, do, 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 ma, do, do, ma, so, so, la, so, ma, do, la, so, ma, do, ma, ma, re, do, do, ma, sol, ma, ma, re, do, re, do, ma, sol, ma, ma, re, do. This is music theory. We are going to be doing Rocky Mountain and 6/8 for the whole song. D is going to be do. I will be doing triplet subdivisions to help me remind myself that we're in compound meter. Do, 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 ma, do, 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 ma, do, do, ma, so, so, lo, so, ma, do, lo, so, ma, do, ma, ma, re, re, do, do, ma, so, lo, ma, ma, re, do, re, do, ma, sol, lo, ma, ma, re, re, do. This is music theory singing the chord progression that we did in class, starting off with 4 sharps on the flat major 4. Ma, so, do, so, ma, sis, sis, us. Ma, ta, re, ta, ma, sti, fi, sti, us. That's the flat 4, 6 with the sharp 3. Ra, fa, sol, fa, ra. F, A, B, A, F. That's a flat 2, 4, 3. Ra, mi, sol, ta, sa, mi, ra. F, G, speed, D, B, G's, F. That is a 2, 6 flat, 4, 2 chord. Lo, do, lo, do, lo, do, ma, do, lo, C, E, G, E, C. That's the flat 6 with a 5 flat. This is music theory singing the chord progression we did in class, this time with 4 flats. Ma, so, do, so, ma, B, S, us, S, B. That's a flat 4. Ma, ta, re, ta, ma, B, gus, bus, gus, B. That's a flat 4, 6 with a sharp 3. Ra, fa, so, fa, ra. das, es, das, A. That's a flat minor 2, 4, 3. Ra, mi, ra, mi, ra, mi, sol, ta, sol, mi, ra. A, C, S, gas, S, C, A. That is a minor 2, 6 flat, 4, 2. La, do, ma, do, la. E, as, B, as, E. That's a flat 6 with a flat 5.